It's really hard when slowly one by one all of your friends scatter in different cities and you don't know when will you see them next. It's August 13th today and a special friend is leaving tomorrow. So you know that you're sad but you can't even show your emotions on your face because you're happy for them. I know it's cruel. Anyway, so I've thought of giving him a surprise with the things he loves the most. They are nothing but some chocolate-chip cookies and a chocolate cake. So I'll be packing them as snacks for his journey. Watch me as I bake. But first, some snacks. Okay, now let's start. I've taken a big mixing bowl now. First we need some butter. I've taken 115 grams of butter here. Toast the butter for 5 minutes or until it gets toasty and gives out a nice nutty flavor. It will have a dark color like this, dark just like your past. But I promise this is the element that will make your cookies taste awesome just like your future. Words of wisdom. Thank me later. Now we need sugar. Lots of sugar. And no, you can't compromise here. No further questions to be asked. So here goes 180 grams of sugar. Combine them. You don't need to be perfect here as we'll be adding more ingredients after this. And don't rush while doing this. Think of it as a therapeutic session. Now in the same mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and blend it together for a minute or so. Add in 1 yolk and 1 full egg and blend to form a smooth paste like this. It should be creamy and thick in consistency. Now add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And this is the most challenging part where you debate and one side of your brain is like, start the blender, start it, but the other side is a bit mature and tells you don't. If you do this, you'll only have to clean it later. Anyway, I did it. The dough is formed. Scrape everything down and you don't want anything to go to waste. Now check with the scraper if you have any liquid settling down or if something is not mixed well. And when everything seems great, add some chocolate chunks in there. There are no particular size and such. Add whatever you feel like. Here goes the milk chocolates which I had. I also have some chocolate chips with me and some dark chocolate. Add everything in the bowl and give a mix again. Combine everything well and don't leave any blank spaces behind. When you are satisfied, cover it down and pop it in the fridge for at least 3 hours to make the dough firm. The dough can be easily refrigerated for 3 to 4 days. The dough is firm now and can be handled easily. The main reason why freezing is important is because the dough in its natural form is very sticky and can't be handled easily. It becomes messy, which is why it's suggested to cool down a bit before handling. Here I've taken a baking tray. I've lined it with a parchment paper because it's easier that way to take out the cookies, plus there's less mess while cleaning. Add in 1 scoop at a time and don't worry about the shape of your cookies. They'll flatten out by themselves when they get the heat from the oven. Bake these babies at 250 degrees C for about 20 to 25 minutes. And when they are done, they'll be soft, and that is exactly when you need to add the toppings of your choice. I have added some chocolate chunks. They melt down and taste heavenly. Cookies tend to be soft when taken out from the oven, so don't get alarmed. They harden afterwards when they cool down. And here my scientist spirits ignited, so I'll be making some Oreo stuffed cookies, and it's a cookie monster. Here there's nothing much to do, just stuff the cookie dough with 1 Oreo cookie, just like how I'm doing it here. The baking time is same for this as well, 250 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes. Baking time may vary considering different ovens. There may be few minutes here and there, so you need to adjust accordingly. After it's out of the oven, make sure to completely cool down every cookie, because if you hurry while it's still piping hot, it will break. So it's wise to cool down everything and let it settle first. Okay, so it's cooled down and I couldn't wait to break it and shove it in my mouth. The bottom is brown and crusty, and let's have a look inside. Woohoo! The cream from the Oreo has melted and it's soft, gooey and moist, yet crunchy from outside. Heaven! And now it's showtime. It's the next day and I've already baked a chocolate cake here. I pressure cooked it since my oven broke down this morning. Yeah. And I don't know why, I think I'm some sort of an Iron Man who can handle heat easily. Anyway, the cake turned out perfectly, thank God for that. I chopped off the top part, which is going in my belly, and I have melted down some dairy milk as well to add on top. and again I thought I had some magical powers. Ugh. A few days back I bought this lunchbox from Amazon. It's so tough and spacious, let me give you a review. It has 3 tiers. The top part can be used for some snacks, the middle part can be used to pack some curry or gravy, and the bottom tier is so spacious you can pack in any rice or rotis you want. I bought this cause it reminded me of the 90s cartoon which I used to watch after coming from school. Bob the Builder, do any one of you remember? Anyway, I got it for $2.50. I'll pin down the link of this item in the description box below. You can check it later. Now just relax and watch me pack down everything. That's all for today. I hope you loved the video. If you did, do like and subscribe. Click on the red button. Press the bell icon. Please do it. Okay. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.